Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss all the new features of 15.2 February 2026 Lightroom Classic updates. Webp file formats are now supported in Lightroom Classic. You can import, edit and synchronize Webp images across your sync ecosystem. Let me import a Webp image. I have stored a Webp image in this folder. Let me click on import. So as you can see, the Webp file extension is now supported. You can make any edits of your choice. However, one important thing to note here is you cannot export an image to a Webp file format. You can also send an image from Lightroom Classic to Firefly to edit an image or generate a video from an image. Let me right click on the image here, and here is the new option to generate using Firefly. You can edit a photo or generate a video from photo. Let me edit a photo. So this opens the Firefly service here. So the image is loaded in Firefly. Based on the AI models, your credits can change. So this is an important thing to note here. So currently it is set at Gemini 2.5. But when you change it, the credits can change. The amount of credit usage can change. So let me just set it to Gemini 2.5. And here I'll add a prompt. So we'll click on generate, and Firefly takes its time to generate an image based on the prompt. One important thing to note here is you cannot round trip from Firefly back to Lightroom Classic. That is, you need to save the file separately in Firefly and this do not come back to Lightroom Classic. Now let me open this image again. And we'll now generate a video from this image. So let me generate a video from photo. So again, based on the models, the credit usage is charged. So for VO 3.1 fast, it takes around 80 credits. In case of Sora 2, it takes around 240 credits. So I'll just default it to VO 3.1 and let us try to generate a video from this image. So you can add a prompt here. Also, there is an option in Firefly where it enhances your prompt. Do you see this icon here? You can click on it. So Firefly enhances this prompt and it gives up a beautifully tailored prompt for you. So click on generate, and Firefly takes some time for videos to be generated. You can click on this download button so that your image or video is saved to your local hard drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if this feature excited you. Thanks for watching.